What is this?
Kangaroo.
Uh-huh. Deer.
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 Fawn.
Fawn.
Fawn. Mm.
Mm. This one.
Next.
Elephant. Cow.
Mm.
Elephant. Cow.
Okay, okay, got it.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Cow. Giraffe. Cow.
This. What is this?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Mm.
Joey.
Joey. Joey.
ஜோதினா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் ஜோதினா.
Yeah, good. Very good, Varsha. Next is Ananya. Ananya.
Yes. Cub. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vihan. Elephant. Calf. Sorry, deer. Deer, you're reading deer now. Fawn. Hmm. Calf. Hmm. Hmm. Kangaroo. Hmm. Kangaroo. Joey. Giraffe. Giraffe. Ah. Calf. Very good, ma. Thank you so much, Ananya. Next is Vihan. Vihan. Lion.
Lion. Mom, you need to take book, mom. Lion. Cub.
Yeah, it's in the book only. D59 worksheet.
Lion. Okay. Cub. Lion. Cub. Very good. Next.
Hmm.
We didn't
Same,
take the book
Vihan.
yet, mom. Sorry.
Sorry.
Joey. Kangaroo, Joey. Kangaroo, Joey.
Vihan.
Mom, we didn't take the book yet, mom. Page number.
Okay, I'll move on to another child and then I'll come back.
Page number,
Taruneshwar.
miss. Page number, mom.
59. D59. Taruneshwar.
Lion.
Hmm.
Green.
Hmm. Hmm. Good. Hmm. Good. Hmm.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Hmm.
Kangaroo.
Hmm. Joey. Very good. Next. Giraffe. Calf. Very good, Mother Neshudan. Mitra. Mitra. Hmm.
Lion.
Hmm.
Cub.
Hmm.
Deer.
Hmm.
Cow.
Hmm.
Elephant. Cow.
Hmm.
Joey.
Hmm.
Giraffe. Cow.
Very good, Mitra. Well done. Okay. Next is Vihan. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
Amma, kutturu. Lion. Cat.
Lion, Kappa. Cub.
Cub.
Hmm.
Uncle.
Deer. Where are you looking, Vihan? Look at the screen. Look at ma'am.
Ma'am சொல்றாங்க.
What you don't know, I will teach you. Come on. Lion, cub. First one. Lion, cub. Second one. Deer, fawn.
Fawn. Ma'am
Fawn.
சொல்றாங்க. Listen பண்ணுங்க.
Third one. Elephant,
Cub.
calf. Elephant,
Calf.
calf. Fourth one, kangaroo.
Joey.
Very good. Fifth one, giraffe. Calf. Giraffe also calf. Okay, Vihan, learn it tomorrow. Once again, I'll ask you. Next, Jason.
ஓகேவா சொல்லுவா
Jason.
சத்தமா
Lion.
ம் சத்தமா
Lion.
ம்
Hmm.
டீர் சொல்லு டீர்
Deer.
Hmm.
Fawn.
ம்
Hmm.
Elephant.
Hmm.
Wolf.
ம்
Hmm.
Kangaroo.
Hmm.
Joey.
Hmm.
Giraffe.
Hmm.
Fox.
Calf. Very good. Next is Dashwan Velan. Very good, Jason. Dashwan Velan. Come on. Hmm.
Tiger.
Lion.
Tiger. Hmm.
Lion.
Hmm.
Cow.
Hmm.
Elephant.
Ah.
Cockroach.
Hmm. Deer விட்டாச்சா?
Deer.
Deer.
Hmm.
Swan.
Super. Ah.
Kangaroo.
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 Hmm.
Giraffe.
Joey.
Joey. Ah. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Hmm.
Wolf.
Calf. Very good. Kavi Kartika.
சொல்லு.
Kavi Kartika.
சொல்லு.
Lion.
Hmm.
Fox.
Hmm.
Deer.
Hmm.
Frog.
Hmm.
Elephant.
Hmm. Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Radhi Andy.
Kangaroo.
Hmm.
Yes.
Deer.
Joey. Kangaroo. Joey.
Joey.
Hmm. Giraffe. Hmm. Calf. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Thank you so much. Supreet Gautam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Ma Supreet. Come on.
சொல்லுங்க லயன் கை வச்சு சொல்லுங்க நீங்களே
Lion.
ம்
Hmm.
Cub.
வெரி குட் ம்
Deer.
Hmm.
டீர் சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க
Yeah, I can hear. No problem. Ah. நீங்க சொல்லுங்கடா கண்ணா. Hmm.
Elephant.
Hmm.
Goat.
வெரி
Hmm.
குட்
Kangaroo.
Hmm.
Dolly.
Hmm.
Jurassic.
ஏன் ஜுராசிக்கா இது என்ன
Giraffe.
ஜீரா
Giraffe. Calf.
ஓகே
Oh, very good, Supreet Gautam. Next is Rudwin.
Geese.
Rudwin. Lion.
மிஸ் சொல்றாங்க
Hmm.
சரி சரி நாம சொல்றேன்
Good. Ah.
கப்
Hmm.
டீர் fawn இது
Hmm.
காக்
Hmm. Hmm.
kangaroo joey giraffe cock
Very good. Radhyani. 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 Hmm. Hmm.
cub
Hmm. 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 அம்மா அம்மா பார்க்க கூடாது நீங்களே சொல்லணும் என்ன படிச்சீங்க நீங்க போன வாரம் படிச்சோம் இல்லையா come on you have to say deer fawn
Elephant. Cow.
kangaroo
Kangaroo.
Joey giraffe
Giraffe.
Calf. Giraffe. Calf. Okay. Okay, well done, children. Okay, one more time you have to recap, children. Tomorrow once again we'll have this session. And then now all of you come on, stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Yes, Visha, kids the anthem.
Anthem. Follow me and to you. My buttons
You are with me,
are with me.
you are infinite, you are unique, my potential inside. You are the wing beneath my flight. Today I pledge
I pitch on my match. I will
I shall achieve you. Yes, very good and thank you so much, Visha. Good morning, everyone. Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning. Good. Okay. Now all of you come on, grab your chair and come. Bring your chair. Position words. Bring your chair. Ready? Yes? Bring your chair. Bring a doll. Doll or toy, whatever you have, bring it. Ready? Yes, very good. Always Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, Sukriv Gautam. Ready? Okay, all of you are ready? Okay, shall we start? Yeah, Dora. Dora, Doraemon. Huh? Everything. Okay. Next one. Very nice. Good. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now keep your doll in the chair. In the chair. Keep your doll in the chair. Mitra, keep the doll in the chair. இன்னுனா என்னம்மா சேர்ல வைங்க இந்த சேர்ல வைக்கணும் keep the doll in the chair. Okay, now keep the doll under the chair. Under the chair. Very good. Only the doll I said. You children need not go under the chair. Sukriv went under the chair. Good. Okay, next. Come on. Now keep the doll behind the chair. Behind. Radhyani. Behind na pinnadi vekkano. Behind the chair. Chair ku pinnadi. Behind. Now keep the doll in front of the chair. In front of the chair. In front of na chair ku munnadi vekkano. Very good. Now keep the doll far away from the chair. Far away from the chair. Far away. Talli doorama vachunu. Far away. Okay, now keep the doll near the chair. Near na chair kitta kondu varanum. Good. Now keep the doll on your head. On your head. On your head. On your head na enga veppinga? On your head. On your head means Keshav on your face. Very good. Well done. Keep your toys back. Keep your toys back. Now we are going to road count. Okay, come on. Keep your toys back. You are going to jump and same time you are going to clap. Okay, come on. Keep your toys aside. Come on, children. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, Very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 37, very good. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? What will come? 49, 50. Very good, Vihan. 50. Well done, children. Now tens counting. Tens counting, what we are going to do is raise up high. Raise your hands high up, and then one number you will raise up, another number you will bend down and touch your toe. When I say 10, you will raise up. 20, bend down. Again 30, lift up. Okay, ready? First, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow, very good, children. All of you go drink water and come back fast. Come on. Fatafat, come on, finish. Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Hazel. Very good, Ma Jason. Next. Keshav. Keshav. Very good. Very good, Keshav. Radyani. Very good. Next, Rudwin. Very good, Rudwin. Tara. Tara is absent today. Okay. Ananya. Very good, Ananya. Sukhdev Gautam. Very good, Sukhdev Gautam. Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavikartika. Very good, Kavikartika. Mahini. Mahini. Absent. Okay. Mitra. Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti is absent. Oh. Okay, children. Now I want you to do the action for the phonics, children. Okay? Ma'am will sing the song also. You have to do the action for phonics. Are you all ready? First, A. Action for A and phonics sound for A. Hands on my arm. Very good. Next, B. What is the phonics sound and action? B. Very good. What is the phonic sound for C?
C.
Ka. Very good. Next is D. Da. Very good. Next F. F. Next in the band. Next F. F. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Got a hole, the air came out. Okay. Next G. Water gurgles down the drain. Okay. H. H. Ha. I. Yes, very good. Inky the mouse is my pet. E. Next is J. What is the phonic sound and action? J. Ja. Very good. K. Another. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Okay. L. Lick your lollipop. Will lick a lollipop. M. M in action. Rub your stomach. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Next N. Here the aeroplane. How the aeroplane will go? Stretch your hands, both of your hands. O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Okay. Next is P. Very good, Ananya. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff. Okay. And then Q sounds qua. Okay. Then R. What is the action for R? See my dog rip the rag. Okay. And then S. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. T. What is the action and sound for T? Ta. When I watch the tennis play. Ta. Okay. Next U. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Okay. Today we are going to learn the letter U. Okay. Now come on. Take your My Word Trip book. Take your My Word Trip book U page. U page. U. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. U. U for unicorn. First picture. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for uncle. And then U for unzip. Zip means you will zip it, right? When you wear your dress and you zip it. Unzip means removing the zip. Unzip na another zipper remove pannuvinga. That is unzip. Okay. Next is unity. Unity when you all play with your friends together. That is unity without fighting. That is unity. Sanda podamu ottumiya irundhomna. That is unity. Next is earn. Okay. So U for umbrella, U for unzip, U for uncle, uncle, umbrella, unzip. Okay, now take your worksheet. Worksheet number is D62 LT. D62 LT.
Ma'am, D62 LT, ma'am.
1 minute, let me check.
Okay, ma'am.
LT, ma'am.
65. D65. D65 LT U. So first, how will you write U, children? A curve. In the same line, you have to come down. A small standing line should be visible. You can see here. See here, write with your pointer finger first from number 1. Go up. Stop here. And then come down in the same line. அதே லைன்ல கீழே வரணும். Okay? See here, from 1, you here 2. Go to number 3. அங்கே இருந்து 3ல இருந்து கீழே வரணும். From 3, you have to come down. Okay? That is U. Small U within the blue line you have to write. Don't write from the red line, children. Next page will be your homework. Those who are finished, don't waste your time. You can write. Let others also finish. Finished, everyone? Very good. Please know when you finish, children. Let's start our concept session. Come on. Don't just draw a curve, children. Go up to number 3. You have seen in that book itself. Come down in the same line. That is U. Finish. Finished. Everyone finished. Is there still anyone writing? Please don't write the homework sheet now. When you finish, please let me know.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Lisa.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Varsha, what about Varsha, Ananya, Hazel? Shall we start the concept, children? Keep your book aside. Yeah, keep your book aside and look at the screen. Ellarum screen paranga paakalam. Look at the screen. We already learned farm animals, wild animals. Farm animals na ennadu? It will live along with us. நம்ம கூடயே இருக்கும் farm animals. Wild animals live in forest. Okay? And next type of animal which we are going to see is marine animals. Marine means water. Okay, marine animals na water la irukka animals. Do you know what are the animals that live in water? Which animal lives in water? Thanni enna animal irukum? Very good. Normally, fishes live in water. Very good, okay. Very good. Yeah, good children. Today we are going to see what are the marine animals. Ready all of you? See, first marine animal, what is this? What is it? Shark. What is it? Shark. Now tell me, children, now I'm going to ask you one question. Does all the marine animals have legs? Hands, legs, marine animals are here? Marine animals have legs like farm animals, wild animals and all? Yes. What they have? They have a tail and fins. Fins are their hands, okay? It helps them to swim in water and the tail helps them to change the direction. இப்படியும் அப்படியும் திரும்பறதுக்கு the tail will be used. They don't have that. Instead of that, they have fins, okay? And can you see the sharp teeth, children? Shark, see here, S-H-A-R-K, shark. It has very sharp teeth and it is very dangerous, children. You would have seen in many film also, right? Movies also you would have seen. In movies also the shark will come and kill many people, right? Yes, this is shark and it is very dangerous. And next, what marine animal is this? How does it look? Seahorse. It is seahorse. You can see the face. How does it look? It looks like a horse, right? So only it is called as seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Okay? What is this? Crab. Yeah, very good. Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab.
English
Yes,
crab.
C-R-A-B. Crab. And next, what is this? The shape itself, you can say, what fish is this? Yeah, very good. All of you know, right? This is starfish. You can see the shape of it. It looks like a star. S-T-A-R, star. F-I-S-H, fish. Starfish. And next, does anyone knows what fish is this? Anyone knows? No, right? This is stingray. Okay, it has a long tail. Okay, see here it has a flat body and it has a long tail and the tail is very dangerous, children. It hunts other fishes using this tail only, okay? So this is stingray. The tail will be like a sting, very sharp and strong, okay? Stingray. What is it? Stingray. Stingray. And next, what is this? Dolphin. Very good. Dolphin. You all know the dolphin. And next, this is blue whale. Blue whale. Biggest marine animal, okay? Biggest marine animal, blue whale, okay? So from the beginning, whale, dolphin, stingray, starfish, crab, seahorse, shark. All these are marine animals. Now I want you to take your marine animal worksheet. Come on, D61 CT. Right, today's date. Today's date is 2/7/27-9-121.
அது நம்ம விழுந்தா அது அதோட முதல்ல எடுத்துட்டு போகும்.
அதெல்லாம் படத்துல முட்டணும், நேர்ல கிடையாது. இந்தா பென்சில் எடுத்து
2/7/9-21 and the day is Monday, month is September. Here you have the shadows, children. You very well know how to match. First fish is dolphin. First marine animal is dolphin. Second marine animal is seahorse. Third marine animal is crab. And the fourth one is fish. That is the clownfish. We call it as clownfish.
நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? ஃபீஷ்ல என்ன பண்ணும்?
Fish ஒண்ணும் பண்ணாது. Fish is healthy. If you have fish, that is healthy for you. Fish lives in water, marine animals. Only they are called as marine animals.
Fishman.
Very good. All of you have finished? Yes. Next worksheet is D62 empty. D62 empty. Here you have crab, seahorse and dolphin. Here you are going to circle which is the biggest one in each row. Biggest na ennadu perusa irukkiradhu. Which is the biggest crab in that line? Circle. Which is the biggest seahorse? Circle. Which is the biggest dolphin? Circle. Finish circling the biggest one. பெருசா எது இருக்கோ அது circle பண்ணும். Biggest crab, biggest seahorse and biggest dolphin. Next I want you to take number 39 worksheet. You already finished 38, yes or no? Now we are going to write number 39.
Fishman.
Yes, very good ma. Take worksheet number D59 empty. D59 empty. D59 empty. 39 number. Yes, how will you count it? First group of tens. 10, 20, 30, next 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39, 39. 39, 39. 10, 20, 30. Group of tens, like that you have to count. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39, 39. Keshav. Spell and write, children. Everyone like Keshav. Spell and write.
Nine.
Parents, let them write. I want you to copy this in your maths notebook, in your child maths notebook. Missing numbers. Let them write. By the time they write, finish. Who finished? Hazel.
Yes, ma'am, Hazel.
Nowadays, first Hazel only is writing, I think. Take your notebook and copy it down. Hazel, if you are free, other parents can copy it down. Finish the 39. 9, the way you have to write is a curve, go up, come down. No one should write a standing line and a backside curve. No. Okay? Properly you have to write, children. Then it will be very difficult for you to change again. Take your math notebook, everyone. Ask your parents to copy down. Missing numbers, and the heading is missing numbers. Did you all learn the rhyme, children? Oh, where, oh, where? Oh, where has my little dog gone? Good, Hazel. Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Next, under a web. Under a web, inside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Yes, ready? Copy down. Finish. Missing numbers. Start doing it. How will you do? Shall we do it? Who is ready? Don't do it, Keshav. Wait, ma, Keshav.
Mama, stop, Mama.
Stop karo, Keshav. Still, who is writing worksheet till now? Tarneshwara.
Ma'am, Visha
Three also, ma'am.
Finish writing, ma'am.
Radyani finished worksheet.
Yeah, she finished, ma'am. Already she finished and sent you.
Okay, fine. Only 2 of them are writing, huh? Sukri, வேகமா எழுதுங்க. Come on. Finish. Okay. Shall we start doing the activity? Good. See here. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Come on, write 5. Very good, Ruthven. 5. Right, number 5.
Finish to man.
Next is 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the next number? 10. 10. How will you write? 1, 0, 10. Okay, next is 1, 1, 11. Very good, Sukri. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. What is the next number? Very good. 1, 5, 15. Okay. Next see here. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? What will come? What will come? 1, 8, 18. Like that you have to say children. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Have you all done it correctly? Finish? Get it corrected from your parents. Get it corrected. Those who have done correctly, you deserve an ice cream. யார் யாரெல்லாம் கரெக்டா பண்ணிருக்கீங்களோ ஐஸ்கிரீம்.
Ma'am, Hazel did, ma'am.
Very good. Hazel got ice cream. Nisha, okay. Yeah, welcome. Nadia, you finished correctly, yeah?
Yes, ma'am, she finished.
Very good. Ananya also good. Very good, Ananya. Ice cream for Ananya. See your smile. Jason, finish, ah? Done.
Yes,
Did it correctly, yeah? Good, Jason. Tarneshwar. Very good, Tarneshwar. Tarneshwar correct பண்ணிருக்காங்களா?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, correct, ma'am.
Varsha. Ice cream for Tarneshwar. Vihan, Varsha. Mitra, ice cream for Mitra. Mitra already finished. Good, Varsha. Very good. Ice cream for Varsha. Sorry. Very good, Vihan. Vihan, Rudvin, Varsha. Everyone gets an ice cream. Keshav also gets an ice cream. Very good, children. Okay, thank you. Next, we are going to learn 2-letter words. Okay, now all of you close your notebook. Today we are going to learn how to blend 2-letter words. Okay, close your notebook. Keep it aside. Keep it aside. Okay, first, what is this? What is this, children? Okay, one minute. Let me write it 4 lines. Yeah, 1 minute, children.
Small letter.
Let me write in 4 lines, okay? See here. What letter is this? It is A. Okay. What is the sound of A? Listen carefully, children. No playing. No playing, no writing. Need not copy whatever I am writing. Your book close panni vekanum ellarume. Mitra, close your book. I don't want any disturbance now. Everyone close your book. Nothing should be there near you. Only look at Vanilla, ma'am. Otherwise, Vanilla ma'am will not take class from tomorrow. Nallan Vanilla ma'am varamata bro. Come on. Okay. A. What is the phonic sound for A? A oda phonic sound ennadu? Okay. What letter? What is this letter? T. What is the sound for T? T oda sound ennadu? Cha. Okay. At. Like that you have to blend. Okay. At. Okay. Next. Again A. What is the sound of N? A sound is A and N sound is A, N. Together. A sound you, in sound you சேர்த்து சொல்லணும். Together you should say. Okay. A, N. No playing Radyani. A, N. Okay. Next is A. A sound is A and M. What is the sound of M? Ravi Kartika, Dashwan. Next, you will not at all understand. Listen. A, M. This is called blending. ரெண்டு சவுண்டையும் ஒண்ணா சொல்றது. That is blending sounds. Okay. A, am. Okay. Okay. This A. Very good, Vihan. Yeah, very well done. Okay. And then next is I. What is the sound for I? I sound another E. And what is the sound for N? Together say எப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க? I N E. In. Very good, Mitra. In. Okay. Next. E. What do you say this? E. Very good. Is. Very good, Mitra. E. Is. Okay. Again here E sound. Again E sound. And next is T. E. Ch. What will come? Okay, very good. You have attempted. Very good. Eat, it. Okay. Next is this is again E. Again F. What is the sound for F? If. Very good answer. E. If. Okay. E. If. Okay. Next one. O. What is the sound of O?
Okay.
O. On. Very good, Hazel. On. You should not say O-N on and all. On. Hereafter you have to learn along with the phonic sound only. So from the beginning, at, an, am, as, I, N, that is E, in, E, it, it, if, on. Now take your English notebook and copy down these letters, these words. Come on, take your English notebook, write today's date and write at. Yes, from Wednesday we'll be having talk time, children. Prepare well, okay?
Ma'am, any duration, ma'am, like this much time?
Sorry?
Any duration like this much time they have to talk or this much sentences or as per their requirement?
Yeah, 5 to 6 sentences.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
You can use any pictures, PPT, any chart works also you can use. So that they'll be even more interested to do the talk time.
Thank you.
Just blankly, if you ask them to talk now, they will hesitate. If you give anything in their hand or if you prepare for any PPT, They look at it and they will say, interestingly they will say. Yes, come on. How many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more shall we add? What shall we add? It is. Finish it. Don't rub your eyes like that, Varsha. What happened, Varsha?
சொல்லுங்க அம்மா.
Ma'am, she's crying, ma'am.
Crying, why? To write these letters, Why, Varsha? Varsha will get an ice cream. Don't cry.
Okay.
Why, Varsha? What happened, Varsha? You don't want to write? Okay, you can copy it down, Varsha's mom. You can teach her. No problem. She will never do it in class. I don't know. Mood out, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't cry, Varsha. Don't rub your eyes like that. A-T, at. At.
Please, ma'am.
Finish. Very good, Makeshav. An. An. Am. Am. As. As. In. In. Is. Is. It. It. If. If. On. On. Based on these 2-letter words only, we'll be shifting to 3-letter words, children. So kindly learn this every day. Okay? And let me tell you your today's homework. Yeah, today's homework is your U page, and then you have another page also, that is D62CT. Parents, please note it down. D62CT. You will have marine animals according to the colors you have to color. D62CT. Stingray, squid and shark. So 2 pages homework you have today. One is the U letter page and the other one is the marine animals coloring, D62CT. Finish, everyone. Still who is writing?
Sukri writing, ma'am.
Yeah. Karneshwar finish பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Karneshwar finish.
Okay, Ananya finish.
She's writing, ma'am.
Right, ma? I don't think you are writing. சீக்கிரம் எழுதுங்க, come on. Jason is writing. Vihan, finished? Keshav finish.
No, ma'am, they are still writing.
Okay. Visha finish-ஆ? Visha அந்த பக்கம் டர்ன் பண்ணி என்ன எழுதுறீங்க?
மேம் அவ வந்து அத பார்த்து எழுத மாட்றா மேம். நான் ஒரு தடவை எழுதி கொடுத்து அப்படியே பக்கத்துல பார்த்து பார்த்து எழுதுன்னு சொல்றேன் மேம்.
ஏன் நீங்க எழுதி கொடுக்குறீங்க?
ஒண்ணுமே எழுதல மேம். ஏ எங்கேயோ இருக்கு, டி எங்கேயோ இருக்கு.
அந்த பழக்கம் கொண்டு வரணும். பரவாயில்ல டைம் எடுத்தாலும்.
Yes
They
ma'am.
should look at the screen. When they go to school next year, they will definitely go.
Yes
So at
ma'am.
that time, they will not get into the practice of looking at the board and writing.
Yes ma'am. இங்க பாருமா, விஷா மேம் பாக்குறேன். இங்க பார்த்து எழுதி சொல்றேன்.
பாத்து எழுதுங்கம்மா விஷா. தெரியலையா?
பார்த்து எழுதி.
நீங்க பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல.
Yes ma'am.
இந்த வேர்ட பாயிண்ட் பண்ணுங்க with your pointer finger. Letter follow.
Yes ma'am.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Radyani. Dictate also. சொல்லுங்க ஸ்கிரீனை பார்த்து எழுது. நீங்க டிக்டேட் பண்ணவே பண்ணாதீங்க. ON on எழுது, IN in எழுதுன்னு சொல்லாதீங்க.
Okay.
Let them write. Let them look at the screen and write. Otherwise, they will not focus on the board when they go back to school.
No, ma'am, whether she is writing, I said the sounds, ma'am. A sound A, T sound B. You are setting
I'm not saying it is wrong. அது வந்து நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்கும்போது அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லி கொடுங்க. தப்பே கிடையாது. That is correct only. But when the session time, you should not tell them to write like that. Session timeல screen பார்த்து எப்படியாவது அவங்க எழுதணும். அப்பதான் கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்க. Then only their eye will coordinate with their brain. They will think and they will write. எது நெக்ஸ்ட் எழுதணும்னு பாப்பாங்க. கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. நீங்க சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம அதை பார்க்கவே வேண்டாம். நம்மளே அப்படியே அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க எழுதிடலாம்னு எழுதுவாங்க. For that only I am telling you. When you are at home, you can teach them when you are free. That is not an issue. ஸ்கூல்ல எல்லாம் போர்ட்ல தான் எழுதி போடுவாங்க. They have to look at the board and follow one by one below the other. At that time they will not know. அப்புறம் அழ ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க. That only will happen. Very good, ma Jason. Good. Screen ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கு தெரியலனா நீங்க விரல வச்சு காட்டுங்க. Next time I will present in the screen. Sukhri finished
Yeah, ma'am. He finished writing, but not perfectly within the line. Like this only he wrote, ma'am.
Perfectா எழுதணுமா சுக்ரி? இன்னுமே கண்ட்ரோல் வரலனா எப்படி கண்ணா? Come on. Next time when you write, you have to write in the line. You have to follow the line. Red line to blue line.
Okay, wow.
மறுபடியும் டாட் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க சுக்ரீவம்மா.
ஓகே மேம். நான் கொஞ்சம் அழிச்சு எழுத வச்சு அவன் ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேட் ஆயிடுறான். அதனால
அதை அழிக்க வேண்டாம். 2 டாட்ஸ்ல எழுதுங்க. அந்த டாட் ஸ்டார்டிங் டாட் எண்டிங் டாட் அதே மாதிரியே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி விடுங்க. ஃபுல் டாட்ஸ் வைக்க வேண்டாம்.
ஓகே மேம்.
அழிச்சு கொடுத்தா அத மாதிரி தான் ஆவாங்க. So don't erase it. Guide with the dot.
ஓகே மேம். பட் கொஞ்சம் இப்போ வந்து ஸ்பேசிங் கரெக்ட்டா எழுதுறான். லைக் கிட்ட
that is correct. Once எல்லாம் automatically we need not teach them. But what is that they wanted to write fast. சீக்கிரமா எழுதி முடிச்சிரணும் அவ்வளவுதான். கடகடன்னு மெதுவாலாம் எழுத முடியாது. They don't have that.
ஆனா ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா தான்
எழுத டாட் நோ. It will be easy. மறுபடியும் எழுதுறதுக்கும் குறையும்.
Okay, but he's writing very slowly, ma'am. ரொம்ப
right, no problem. I am waiting anyhow.
நான் ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணா ஒரு மாதிரி டென்ஷனே
ஆகுது. பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஏதாவது ஒரு இதுல வந்து பாயிண்ட்ல வந்து they themselves will write fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Even now I am watching many slow writers are writing very fast in the session. Like that, Sukri also will one day write like that. I have that confidence in him.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Finish, everyone. You want me to show the slate? Visha, எழுதிட்டீங்களாமா?
இப்பதான் மேம் எழுதுறா. எழுத மாட்டா மேம். அப்படியே இங்க சைடுல மத்த பசங்க இமேஜஸ் வேடிக்கை பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கா அவ.
பாக்கட்டும். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு ஸ்லேட்ல எழுதி கொடுத்துருங்க இத. அத பார்த்து எழுதுங்க.
Yes ma'am.
In a time up, I am going to leave the session. So let her write. Look at it and write. Kindly do the homework and send it to my children. If you want, take a screenshot of it and use it, or else write it in your slate and give it to your children parents. Okay, thank you so much. Prepare well for your talk time also. See you everyone. Thanks for your cooperation.
Bye,
See you.
ma'am. Bye.
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 Bye.